Video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Chime account to Cash App. So first just open your Cash App on your smartphone. From here, all you need is just click on balance that's showing at your screen at the bottom. It's going to take window. From here you can see your cash balance. So before transferring your money from Chime to Cash App, you need to link your Chime card to Cash App. So simply click on this linked account option. Then here simply this linked card button. On the screen simply card number and then click on add card, and then again you have to enter your expiration date. So simply enter that. Your card has been added. So to transfer your money, simply click on this add cash button. Then on the screen enter the money that you want to transfer from Chime to Cash App, and then click on this add button, and then it will ask for payment method. So simply select Chime card that we have added earlier as a payment method. Receipt or money added to Cash App. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.